In this video, I'll show you how you can fix can't open EXE files on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First step is you want to open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type gp update /force, press enter and let it validate all your stuff. Once you've done that, search for registry editor, go to HKey classes root, scroll down until you find E for EXE, double click on it, double click on the default and make sure it says EXE file. Press OK, then you want to click once on this and press E. Scroll down until you find EXE file again, click on it, make sure default is set to 1. Then you want to open it, find shell and open that. Find the open folder and make sure this is also set to 1. Once you've made sure that all these three are set to 1, you want to search for Windows Update and make sure you take the latest update. Once you've done that, open up CMD again, right click, run as an administrator, and this time you want to type in sfc /scan now, press enter, and then wait for this to become at 100. Then once it's completed at 100, you want to close it down and then restart your PC. Now I really hope this helped fix your issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.